Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable the high performance mode on your Panasonic TN-43W70AEZ TV. To do that, on the home menu of your TV, go to the apps list and find the Eco Dashboard application. This is a pre-installed application, so you will surely find it here. Just open it and then here select full performance mode, click yes, and this will max out your device's performance in just one click. Here you can see all the settings that will be changed in order to enable this mode. So as you can see, auto turn off and auto sleep are set to never, just like no signal power off is set to never too. Auto Backlight is disabled, and waking up on land, wireless, and Google Cast are enabled, and also it increases the brightness and basically the performance speed for your TV. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.